In today's presentation, I'm excited to reveal potentially the most effortless home-based business model for newcomers worldwide. This model involves a straightforward yet ingenious drag and drop method that utilizes Amazon's vast online marketplace to help you earn passive income. Welcome to Joom Talks. I'm your host, Joom. Let me clarify. I'm all for diligence. However, my experience has shown me the value of smart work achieving goals with greater ease and efficiency than hard work alone could offer. We're diving into the intelligent approach today. Keep watching as I walk you through each step to ensure you can also profit online with minimal effort and maximal gain. Thank you for choosing to watch this video. Your choice to subscribe and tune into our content is something I deeply appreciate amid the plethora of options available. I want to thank those that have subscribed to our channel so far. I'm appreciative of that. Your support means the world. Now let's dive into the content and kickstart our earnings effortlessly, or rather smartly. Upon exploring Amazon for inspirational shirt designs, I discovered multiple simple creative t-shirts, each with sales around 3,000 units, assuming a typical 5% customer review rate, selling at £13.99 each. These designs represent a revenue opportunity of around £4 million before expenses. Today, I'll show you how to elevate this design concept using a simple drag and drop and copy paste approach, launching your Amazon business in moments. We are aiming for simplicity in our steps, starting with design creation using Kittle, a platform that simplifies high quality design creation. With a special promo code, new users can enjoy a discount on Kittle's monthly pro plan, crucial for those intending to sell designs commercially on Amazon. So the first step to our process is to come to Kittle. So this Kittle website is where we're going to design, get our design form. It's very quick and easy, and it's fun. So the first thing to do is to select this box here. Now we're going to input inspirational quote. Inspirational quote poster. So that's the kind of design that we want to get. You can see that there are so many options you can choose from this, and you can always come here as well to choose whichever one you want, labels and so on and so forth. So for us, we are just going to use this design. You can use any design, but I just want us to choose this one to use. You click on this. So the next thing to do is to click on the mockup. The mockup is just for you to see how your design is going to look on different products. So we have our design here. You can decide to move it, adjust it however you want it to look. So you can play around with the mock-up on other products that you can see on this side, on the left side. Let's say we want to put our mock-up on this hoodie, on men's hoodie, and see, you just try and drag it across just to see how it's going to look on each product on this side. So the next thing to do afterwards is you're going to download it. But before you download your design, because we're going to use the design on our store, on our Amazon Mesh store, you have to go to Amazon to get the specification that Amazon requires for your design. Then you'll be able to design it according to the specification of Amazon. It's good for you to put your mock-ups on all the products to enable your customers to have an idea of what the mock-ups look like on the products before you download. So try and play around putting the mock-ups on all the products to see how they look like. So for our third step, what we now need to do is, after downloading our design, which I said before, we'll take it to Amazon Mesh. That's if we have been accepted to the program. But what we're supposed to do is to download our mock-up here, which I've already done here. I have my downloaded mock-up here, design here, rather. I have my design here. So I've already said you should check the specification on Amazon Mesh to match it with the one here on Kittle so that you have the right specification for your design. You need to follow the design on Amazon Mesh. Then what you need to do is to click to remove the background and optimize the quality of your design, and select the PNG to download. So you are downloading the PNG for Amazon. So what you need to do is save your design to your photos. So if you download the mock-up, you save it to your photos, and that is how you're going to drag it from your photos to Amazon Mesh when you are approved, when your account has been approved. So to participate on Amazon Mesh, you must have an active Amazon seller account. If you don't have one, you will need to create a seller account and provide necessary information to get started. It takes between 3 weeks to 3 months to get accepted. It all depends on everyone. Everyone's case is different. So if you are interested, I would advise that it's better to get the application in sooner rather than later. For our second step, the good thing about Amazon Mesh is that there is no upfront cost. Amazon Mesh, officially known as Mesh by Amazon, offers a range of benefits for creators, designers, and entrepreneurs looking to monetize their designs without the hassle of inventory management, production, and shipping. Here are some of the key advantages of Amazon Mesh. The first one is zero upfront cost. There's no need to invest in inventory or worry about upfront costs. Amazon prints your designs on products after they are sold. The second one is passive income stream. Earn loyalties from your designs. Once your products are listed, you can earn money without active involvement. The third one is that you access Amazon's massive customer base. Amazon is one of the largest online marketplaces, giving your designs visibility among millions of potential customers worldwide. The fifth one is hassle-free logistics. Amazon handles production, shipping, and customer service, freeing you to focus on creating new designs. The fifth is global reach. Sell your products internationally. Amazon's extensive logistic network makes it possible for you to reach customers around the globe. The sixth advantage is ease of use. The platform is user-friendly, allowing you to upload designs and launch products with ease. The seventh advantage is customizable product options. You can choose from a variety of products to print your designs on, including t-shirts, hoodies, and more, allowing for a diverse portfolio. So how do you join Amazon Mesh? Joining Mesh by Amazon is a straightforward process, although acceptance into the program requires approval. Follow these steps to get started. The first step is to request an invitation. Go to the Mesh by Amazon website, click on the request invitation button. You will be prompted to log in with your Amazon account or create one if you don't already have one. The second step is to fill out the application. Your business contact information. You provide your contact details, including name, address, and phone number. Your bank account and tax information. Enter your bank account and tax details for loyalty payment. You design portfolio, although not mandatory. Submitting a portfolio of your designs can enhance your chances of acceptance. Online presence. Share links to your online portfolio, website, or social media to demonstrate your design experience or audience. Step 3 is to submit your application. Review your information to ensure accuracy. Submit your application for review. Step 4, wait for approval. After submitting your application, you will have to wait for Amazon to review it. The review process time can vary. Check your email regularly for a response from Amazon regarding the status of your application. Step 5, getting started upon approval. Once approved, you can start uploading your designs to the platform. Choose the products you want your design to be printed on. Set your prices and product descriptions. Step 6 is to promote your product. Although Amazon provides a massive audience, promoting your products through social media and other channels can increase your sales. Step 7 is to monitor and optimize. Keep an eye on your sales and customer feedback. Adjust your designs, product offerings, and pricing based on performance to maximize your earnings. By following these steps and leveraging the benefits offered by Mesh by Amazon, you can establish a potentially lucrative online business with a global reach, all without the traditional hassle of product manufacturing and customer fulfillment. So for our third step, what we now need to do is, after downloading our design, which I said before, we'll take it to Amazon Mesh. That's if we have been accepted to the program. But what we're supposed to do is to download our mockup here, which I've already done here. I have my downloaded mockup here, design here, rather. I have my design here. So I've already said you should check the specification on Amazon Mesh to match it with the one here on Kittle so that you have the right specification for your design. You need to follow the design on Amazon Mesh. Then what you need to do is to click to remove the background and optimize the quality of your design, and select the PNG to download. So you are downloading the PNG for Amazon. So what you need to do is save your design to your photos. So if you download the mockup, you save it to your photos, and that is how you're going to drag it from your photos to Amazon Mesh when you are approved, when your account has been approved. So to participate on Amazon Mesh, you must have an active Amazon seller account. If you don't have one, you will need to create a seller account and provide necessary information to get started. it takes between 3 weeks to 3 months to get accepted. It all depends on everyone. Everyone's case is different. So if you are interested, I would advise that it's better to get the application in sooner rather than later. Our fourth and final step is to launch our Amazon merch business. My application is still being processed, so I can't show you the on-screen step-by-step for this part. I would have loved to do that, but I'm going to walk you through it verbally. So your design is populated on the products in your store. So your design, after putting it on the products in your store, to be sure you have all products visible on your store, click select button, check mark all the products to ensure it shows on your store, because there's a part where you will have to check to put the check on each of the products to be sure it appears on your store. Now you then need to edit your store as necessary, giving your customers choices of colors. Use the scale button to make your design bigger. The next thing is to set price for each of your products, which gives you an idea of your royalties, which is your profit. So your profit is your royalties. You can adjust your price as you like, but remember not to overprice or underprice. Remember to use product description to make your product sell well and discoverable when searched on Google. Ask ChatGPT or Google Gemini to write you an eye-catching and also an SEO-friendly description, making sure it does not include or reference fulfillment or delivery attributes. Make it 2,000 or less character. Copy and paste it in your description space. There's an option for option 1 and 2. You will see it when you get to that stage. Just use the first line and the second line of the description generated by ChatGPT or Google Gemini to fill out the option 1 and option 2. Click the searchable button to ensure that your product appears in Amazon search results when your keywords are being searched on Google. Get more information about Amazon's policies in order not to violate them. Now click publish to make your product available on Amazon Marketplace. In summary, we've outlined a business model that leverages Amazon's reach and a simple design platform to create and sell products effortlessly. By following these steps and adapting to feedback, you can establish a successful outline retail presence on Amazon, potentially earning significant passive income. Remember, achieving sales requires time, possibly investment in marketing and leveraging social media to enhance visibility. Until next video, take care and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video if you do.